Plastic recycle line. This product line is mainly used for the recycle of waste high-form polyethylene and polystyrene products, also suitable for the filming mid-heaven container. The first extruder transfer and feed materials forcefully, and the second one extrudes raw materials by pushing air. The machine line equips with a wide-mouth crushing machine, water tank, chip cutter, automatic hydraulic screen changer without stopping. The model of SMZL 180 and 120 machine can extrude about 100 kg per hour. The equipment features innovative design, saving energy, high production capacity and output.